All right, we done up here in Winter Garden, the whatever street market. Raj broke the Indian. That's why we can't have nice things, Raj.
Wait, are you recording me?
Yeah.
Damn it.
ZZ Top, baby.
Hello?
Come on in, the water's fine.
How are you?
No, I'm out. Nope.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
It's not connecting. Don't worry about it. It's all good. I wanted to talk to y'all anyways.
Goodbye.
I saw it. Hey, saw a do. So yeah, I know you guys have been requesting Indian test rides like crazy, right? So obviously just did test rides on 2 of them, plus motovlog on an Indian. Wow, this guy's exhaust is very loud. So what I wanted to ask you guys, because I'm gonna make this a short, quick one, basically get y'all's input on some stuff. And I've asked you about one of these videos before. What's up, dude? I mean, I saw, dude. So like I said, you guys have asked for Indian test ride videos for a while. You guys, actually, you've asked for test ride videos on other bikes for a while. Obviously, I've got a lot of Harley ones, you know, because I work closely with Orlando Harley Davidson, but, you know, I am able to do test rides on other bikes. So that is one of the goals of the channel. Obviously, I've got test rides on other bikes. The thing is about other bikes is it's hard to be able to test ride them because they're not as readily available and easy to test ride as Harley Davidson's, right? That's one of the things with Harley. It's like they'll let you come into the dealership and ride their motorcycles. Pretty cool. So obviously you guys requesting test rides on Indians so much, you know, gave me the idea that like I really need to press to test ride an Indian, or test ride some of the Indian motorcycles, which I wanted to do anyways. But you guys posting that up and saying and requesting it, you know, it obviously adds to that drive. So what I want to know from you guys is, what are some other things that you would like to see from the channel? Now I know I made some channel resolution videos, you know, at the beginning of this year. You know, I kind of took a different spin on, you know, New Year's resolutions, and I did channel resolutions instead. Now one of those things that I focused heavily on was, you know, gear reviews. So got a lot of really positive feedback and lots of positive comments and requests for gear reviews, like helmets especially. Gonna be doing one coming up here soon for the Simpson Ghost Bandit. You guys have requested that one quite a bit. So we focused on gear reviews for a bit, obviously test ride videos for a bit, did a lot more dual vlogs. I really want to get Miss Block doing more dual vlogs, but she's just so crazy busy lately. I'm definitely going to focus on doing more like how-to videos, or not how-to videos, but like how to ride videos, and then how-to videos as well, because we're going to get started with the you know, Harley Davidson Sportster Blockhead bike build series, which if you guys don't know what that is, so dude, gonna be building out a Harley Davidson Sportster Iron 883 and giving it away. But yeah, I mean, those are kind of some of the things that are coming up, but I want to hear from you guys on stuff that you would possibly like to see from the channel. If y'all have been here a while, you kind of know the vibe of the channel. You know, we do dual vlogs. You know, I just did some dual vlogs with these guys, Paul and Raj. You know, grab some food. That's another thing I wanted to start doing, was like food reviews, you know, Orlando food reviews, which I really need to start doing that. We've talked about it. We've got a big old long list of restaurants. We just really need to, I don't know, like commit a day to doing it, but it's just been so hot lately. Today is like the first day that the weather is actually really nice, and unfortunately Miss Blockhead had to work today, so today would have been like one of those really good days to do, you know, one of those food reviews. So but that's definitely going to be a focus. I think we're probably going to try to do a little more of those, you know, on like the weekends, you know, basically meet up, ride to wherever the restaurant is, and then, you know, have some food, try it out, do some dual vlogs and stuff like that. I guess this is more of a video like telling you guys like kind of what I want to do, like what some plans are, but then also asking you guys what y'all want to see. Because obviously y'all's opinion means a lot. You know, you guys are the reason the channel has grown, and, you know, the channel continues to do what it does. And yeah, without you guys, obviously the channel doesn't I mean, it would just be me talking to myself and uploading and doing, you know, stuff on my own. But, you know, you guys hitting that subscribe button, you know, you guys showing interest and you guys commenting and sharing are what, you know, drives the channel. And it really gives me a better idea of what y'all are looking for and what I should be focusing on and what I should be delivering, you know. Because yeah, I mean, we gotta have that content to keep it going. I read a while back, like, one of the biggest problems, one of the biggest things for YouTubers is continued content creation. And the cool thing with motorcycles is that, I mean, there's so much going on around motorcycles. We can take this in so many different directions, man. We've been doing test rides on Indians today. We can do food reviews, we can do builds, we can do, you know, how-to videos, like all sorts of stuff. And then meetups, like, you know, we just did the FXR's Diners and Donuts at Donnie's Donuts for Biketoberfest in Ormond Beach with Giselle, Girl on Two Wheels, and Performance Harley, basically Southeast FXR Diner Day. And yeah, it's just been, you know, good and good and good. But I would definitely like to hear from you guys, what y'all would possibly enjoy seeing. So feel free to drop your comments down below. Let me know what y'all think. And I will read through them and I'll respond back and I'll jot some notes down. Yeah, that's a nice car, bro. LS1 under the hood. Yeah, it's a good looking car. Yeah, Paul's into rebuilding cars as well, I guess. Man, you a handyman, Paul. Those fabrication and all that stuff, it's cool. Nice. Sorry, distracted by nice car. Like I said, you guys be sure to drop your thoughts, drop your requests down in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and I will definitely check them out. Anyways, like I said, this is just going to be a short video because the battery on this GoPro is about to die. We are wrapping up a day of doing test rides, like I said, on the Indian Scout Bobber, as well as the 2019 Indian Chieftain, which is right there. Right there. That bike was impressive. Changing the modes, stuff is crazy. If you guys are interested in seeing those test rides, be sure to check out the test ride playlist in the channel. I'll post it up in a thumbnail at the end of this video. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Like I said, please be sure to post up your thoughts and comment down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon as well so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Hit that share button if you guys have friends out there that enjoy motorcycle content. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.